Today I'm in Polyphant at a property called Stone Acre. It's part of a small farm complex just in the village, which boasts luckily a small convenience store, as well as being close enough to the A30 for easy access, but you can't necessarily hear it. And this property here has 2 bedrooms on the first floor along with the bathroom, and on the ground floor is open plan with the kitchen and lounge area. There is a front and a back garden and parking for 1 car. Thank you. I'll take you around inside to have a look.